This is a brief video of how I'm going to charge my 4S2P Buddipole battery pack using the Rev 10S charger. Right now I have it hooked up to the back of my Astron power supply. See, there's your positive and negative. Okay. Power supply is not powered on yet, and as soon as I turn it on, the Rev charger will fire up. So we get that going. One pack charge, A123, safe to connect. Okay, so I have a jumper that I bought for the direct connection to the Buddipole with the balance charger. The balance charger comes from Rev. There's the Buddipole battery pack. I've got the balance charger hooked up and the direct lead. You can charge with just the balance charger. It's a slower charge, more accurate. Back to the CellPro 10S. Safe to connect. I've already connected. So I need to just go over to where it says start and push the button. And it says don't move the cables, charging mode. And now you can press the info. Let me find that here. Mode button for all the info. Right now it's showing it's drawing almost 7/10 of an amp, 3/4 of an amp, I guess it is. Sorry about that. It's set on A123 battery pack. It's at 27% right now, the battery. 13.375, it's alternating as it's charging. 8 milliamps in. That shows the condition or the charge of each cell, which it gets its information through the balance wire kit. And then it shows the performance of each one. It takes approximately, I think the manual says 12 minutes before you'll see any results there. Okay, and over time the current will increase. Looking on the front of the Astron power supply, we're at like 14 volts and just barely drawing any power right now, but that eventually goes up as it starts to work itself into the charge mode. Okay, we'll let this go for a little bit. Okay, as you can see, 8 minutes have went by already. We're now putting 4.36 amps into the batteries. You can see the charger or the power supply is showing that it's drawing approximately 5 amps. Okay, we'll go through some more of the modes to see the status. We're at 81% in 8 minutes from 27%. The pack is at 13.618 volts. Each battery is about 3.4 volts. Still do not have the resistance. The fan just kicked on the charger there. And there we go, we're up to 9, almost 10 amps now. Look at the performance of the power supply. It's putting out about 12 amps, still at 14 volts or so. This short time, 1.5 minutes went by, and we're at 90% already. Okay, not much more time has went by since I had to clip the video here, and we're at 100%, and it's now on the downfall of shutting the charger off. There's our voltages for each battery. We did get the resistance of each one. I'm kind of clueless at what that means anyhow. It's supplying 13.3 volts at 13 amps, and the charge rate is 6 amps, and it's gradually dropping down. And 11 minutes have went by, almost 12. So, from what I've watched in the past, it brings the charge amperage down to nothing before it finally shuts off. You can see it's bringing the power down a little. Still holding steady. Okay, we're at almost 14 minutes. The charge amperage is dropping down. I wanted to take a minute here to show you what I would do in the field. Obviously, I'm not going to take my Astron power supply with me unless I had a generator. So one of the options of the CellPro 10S, it has the banana plugs on the end of the power cord. And it also comes with the optional alligator clips. These have a port at the end so you can plug in your banana clip. So you can just, what I would do is start up my car, plug the banana clips into the alligator clips, put them on the battery of the car, start the car up and let it idle. Right now, if this was charging, it probably would charge about maybe 15-18 minutes on with the car on idle, which isn't too awful bad. Okay, it just beeped, said that the charge is done. You can go hit the mode button a few times. It's at 100%. The pack is at 14.5. There's the performance of each cell. Actually, there's 8 cells here, so the balance wire is split between 8 cells. The resistance of each one, again, like I said, I have no clue what that means, but I'm sure someone will help me. It took 15 minutes and 52 seconds to complete the charge. Now if I use just the balance leads, it takes about an hour to get the charge done. It does it a lot slower. When you're in the field though, you want that Buddipole battery pack ready to go. Okay. So there's what we do to get it charged and get it on the air. 73.